Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Customer Ledger Summary function in the General Ledger module of Parsimony. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to view and analyze customer transactions using the Customer Ledger Summary tool. Let's start by navigating to the General Ledger module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click on the General Ledger module to access the necessary functions. The General Ledger dashboard provides an overview of your financial transactions and allows you to perform various tasks. To view the Customer Ledger Summary, click on the Customer Ledger Summary button. This report provides a summarized view of customer transactions. Here, you can see a list of your customers and their corresponding account balances. The report includes details such as the customer name, outstanding amount, and aging information. To refine the report, you can use the available filter options. For example, you can filter by customer, date range, or customer group. If you need to export the Customer Ledger Summary for further analysis, click on the Export button. You can choose from various file formats such as Excel or CSV. If you need a PDF version, click the PDF or Download Report option. If you prefer a printed copy of the report, you can click on the Print button to generate a printer-friendly version. The Add Columns option allows you to customize the columns displayed in the report. You can choose which information to include based on your requirements. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the Customer Ledger Summary tool in the General Ledger module of Parsimony. Now you can easily track customer transactions, monitor outstanding amounts, and gain valuable insights into your customer financials. Thank you for watching this tutorial.